ऋतिक, आप यहाँ पर आए, आपने कहा आप इंदौर में भी प्रोटेस्ट करे थे, वहां पर भी प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते थे, आपको यहाँ आना क्यों जरूरी लगा विक्टिम के?
मैम, यहाँ आने से मुझे भी तो पता चले कि यहाँ वेस्ट बंगाल में इतना जो मतलब इतना लो जो कानून की व्यवस्था है वो, और उस लड़की के साथ इतना कुछ हो गया, और मतलब वो दरिंदा यहाँ अंदर भी आ गया और बाहर चले गया, वो कैसे हो गया मतलब। और उसके घर वालों को ये बताया जाता है कि उसने सुसाइड किया, बल्कि उसके साथ मर्डर और उसके साथ रेप होता है। तो इतना मतलब सबको सब कुछ पता होने के बावजूद भी सब चुप्पी क्यों रहती है, मतलब चुप्पी क्यों? हमारे इंदौर में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। अगर ऐसा होता तो मैं होने ही नहीं दिया जाता है ना हमारे इंदौर में। आज पुलिस प्रशासन को बार बार यहाँ से राउंड लगाने चाहिए, यहाँ पे देखना चाहिए कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है। लड़की सुरक्षित कब रहेगी मतलब।
सिर्फ इंदौर से इस वजह से आए हैं क्योंकि इस विक्टिम को इस केस में जस्टिस मिले?
जी मैम।
को जस्टिस मिले?
जी मैम, उसे जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए, उसके घर वाले को भी न्याय मिलना चाहिए। आज उसके साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ है उसको न्याय मिलना चाहिए। बस मेरा यही कहना है कि उसे न्याय मिलना चाहिए, और मैं इन डॉक्टरों के साथ खड़ा हूँ जब तक उस लड़की को न्याय नहीं मिलता। उसके न्याय मिलना चाहिए, उसके घर वालों को भी न्याय मिलना चाहिए। चाहे
मैनेजमेंट की स्टूडेंट है इंदौर?
जी मैम, चाहे वो कोई भी क्यों ना हो, अगर किसी ने गलत किया है तो उसे सजा होनी चाहिए। जी मैम,
शुक्रिया मैसेज जुड़ने के लिए. So there you have it. You have in fact somebody who's come from all the way from Indore, and there are many such people here actually. Those who are directly and indirectly affected by what has happened here. A lot of people say, in fact, a lot of men that I have spoken with say that this has got to do with the safety essentially of women, but this is about a larger issue when men can't be not seen standing with women on this issue. I'm going to go straight across to Shukanta Majumdar this morning. Thank you for your time. The West Bengal Chief Minister has blamed the Bharatiya Janata Party and the left for the vandalism that was seen at the RG Kar Hospital. What do you have to say about it? She's sitting on a dharna. The left has also called for a 12-hour strike, a 12-hour bandh. How do you respond?
Today we will start dharna against this because Mamata Banerjee is just trying to cover up the whole thing, and it is a well-planned attack, the vandalism that happened in the RG Kar. It is totally done by the TMC and with the help of the police. Police was instructed to allow those goons to enter
Behind
inside
it.
the RG Kar.
Shukranta Majumdar. Bam and Ram is behind us. She says Bam and Ram are behind it.
Yes, Mamata,
how do you respond to that
Mamata
specific
Banerjee
allegation?
Yes, Mamata Banerjee statement, I have heard it, but allow me to counter it. You just analyze the voting pattern of that area.
Right.
The people, those came from the surrounding area, are they voters of BJP? Even BJP could not get a significant amount of vote in last Lok Sabha election from that area. So how can Mamata Banerjee blame that those people who are belonging to the BJP? I would like to challenge Mamata Banerjee. She has the total police machinery, police network. With the help of that police network, please give some example, give some names and the photographs of the people. Those belongs to BJP. It is totally done by the people. Those are aligned to TMC and TMC goons, TMC workers. They also looted vote for the TMC during last Lok Sabha election.
Okay.
It is neither Ram or neither Bam. It is total TMC.
Shukanta Majumdar, what about all right, what about, I also want to ask you, what about the statement that she's made, that specific demand that she essentially has made about this probe being completed by Sunday? She says the probe must be completed and the guilty should be hanged within a week's time is what the Chief Minister of West Bengal has said. How do you respond to what she's demanded?
See, when the total case was with the police, at that time, whether Mamata Banerjee also claimed that type of thing. For investigation, you need time. Obviously, you cannot give any time framework, but everybody is wanting that it should be investigated, getting as quickly as possible, and fast-track code should be set up to give the ultimate verdict to these criminals. Now, but the main thing is that investigation is the most important part. Because police has wasted so much time, and they have also, I think they have tampered with the proof also. Even they are threatening the social media workers.
Okay.
Those
You've
who have
also,
posted
Shukanta Majumdar,
against the
spoken
social-
about the fact that the Kolkata police is stifling the people here, the voices of the people. Shukanta Majumdar, you say in your tweet that you put out that the Kolkata police is stifling the voices of the people and dharna and protests are not being allowed.
Yes, even they have not allowed our dharna today. Though we will start our dharna and we will go move to the court for the permission. And not only that, the general public, when they have tried to criticize this kind of malicious, this kind of heinous crime in social media, police is also sending them the letter, and police is threatening to the common people also. Those runs any YouTube channel or maybe the social media influencer,
Okay.
the police is threatening them. So this is the law and order situation. It is a undeclared emergency is going on in the state of West Bengal.
All right. Shukanta Majumdar, I'm going to thank you for joining us.